what did Abdullah ibn Abbas radiallahu anhuma learn here from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam tells him on one occasion when he was sitting pillion on the, how do you say, on the rider, on the animal, that he was sitting pillion to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "Wa'lam anna al-ummata لو اجتمعت على أن ينفعوك بشيء لم ينفعوك إلا بشيء قد كتبه الله لك." And again he continues to say, وأن الأمة لو اجتمعت على أن يضروك بشيء لم يضروك إلا بشيء قد كتبه الله عليك. وكما قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم, that the Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم is teaching Ibn Abbas radiallahu anhuma that, look, if the entire ummah gathers in one place in order to help you benefit with something, they will not be able to benefit you with anything except what Allah Azza wa Jal has destined for you, except what Allah Azza wa Jal has written, decreed for you. Similarly, if the entire ummah gathers and wants to harm you in one way or the other, they will not be able to harm you in any capacity except what Allah Azza wa Jal has already predestined for you or decreed for you. So these are the solid teachings of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam as far as the Iman bi al-Qadr is concerned, which is why Abdullah ibn Umar radiallahu anhuma, at the end of that hadith that I mentioned the other day, hadith Jibreel, at the end of that hadith, Abdullah ibn Umar radiallahu anhuma says, "Law anna li ahadihim mithlu ahadin dhahaba." Those people who are saying that they do not want to believe in matters pertaining to Al-Qadr, and they feel that Annal Amra Unufun, that Allah Azza wa Jal wouldn't know of any action until that action actually takes place. Let them very categorically understand it, let them very clearly hear it, that even if they had the earth filled with gold, and if they want to spend فَأَنْفَقَهُ, if they wanted to spend the entire earth full of gold, مَا قَبِلَ اللَّهُ مِنْهُ حَتَّى يُؤْمِنَ بِالْقَدْرِ. Allah Azza wa Jalla is not going to accept from them any of it until they believe in the matters pertaining to Al-Qadr.